Yes. Om अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननम् अगर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா. कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्मं पासतां पुरतो मम। पीताम्बरकरविराजितशङ्खचक्र कौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायमतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशं हृदि भावयामि। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। मोक्षाब्धिसारम्य भागवताख्य दद्मोः नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गुहित्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायण अवनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। न भोग्यवस्तूनि न नाकपृष्ठं न सिद्धिलाभं परमेशकाङ्क्षे प्रसन्नमन्दस्मितसुन्दरं ते मुखाम्बुलं दर्शय सन्ततं मे। सान्द्रानन्दावबोधात्मकम् अनुपमिदं कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानां। श्रीहरये नमः। Okay. We were doing the 11th Dashakam. We finished till 6, no?
Yeah.
We finished till 6. Okay. Right. Till 6, what did we see? This is Hiranyakshasya Hiranyakashipoha cha Utpattihi. So Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu, the two, the big Rakshasas, the big Asuras who are going to appear. So before that, what were the incidents that happened? So that is what we are learning here. So here we saw that what was the first one? Kramena Sargi. So here we saw that all the Utpatti was going on, isn't it? Yeah. So everything, like all the creation and everything was going on. They were all progressing when these divine sages, the Sanakadi Munivar, they came to pay their homage to the Lord. And so they crossed all the 6, the ramparts, and then they went across the 7th one. When they came near the 7th one, they met these two gatekeepers who were Jaya and Vijaya. Okay. So Jaya and Vijaya, what did they do? They immediately stopped. Okay. Just a second. Hold on. Yeah, sorry. So Jaya and Vijaya, they stopped them. And then, so because these two gatekeepers stopped the Munis, so they got angry. isn't it? They were very angry. So when they were angry, they cursed them. சாபம் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. சாபம் கொடுத்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க? That you people, that both of you will be born as asuras. Okay, and they said that okay, for 3 birth, they will take the form of asuras. What kind of asura were they? That who would be like, um, always they will be only they will be like an enemy to the Lord. One moment. I'm sorry. Just a second. Just hold on. Sorry, got distracted a little bit. Sorry. Okay. So for 3 births, these 2 will be born as asuras on the earth. And the Lord himself said that I will, I will myself, give you the moksha. Okay. So this, we saw that this was called as the Sambrambha Yoga, where I said that actually the Bhakta, but is right now is in the form of an Asura. So what he would be doing, he'd be contemplating the Lord continuously, isn't it? But contemplating on the Lord, but what type of contemplation will it be? As if Lord was their enemy. Okay, that kind of, with an enmity, always cursing him, always telling something about him, always telling ill about him, thinking him as an enemy. So that kind of a thought process will be there. So Bhagavan, then these two actually said okay. So those story also I said. So here this yoga, see, we might be thinking there are so many people who are like, chanting the namas and everything. So that is what is right. But what Bhagavan says, even in Bhagavad Gita, is that even by enmity, okay, or by your devotional service, or by fear, by affection, whatever may be the your way of showing your love for God, okay, whatever may be. What he says, that whatever may be the emotion, not love. When you say enmity, you don't have any love, but that emotion is whatever be it, it's all different, right? But what takes priority is that you are thinking about him, the thought of him. See, they were like, be it Ravana or be it any of them, they were like what? Every time they were thinking, all throughout the day, they were thinking of the Lord, even though it was in a different form. It was like, oh, I will kill Krishna. Kamsa was thinking that only, I'll kill him, I'll do this, I'll do that. So but he was only contemplating on the Lord. Okay. So what in Bhagavad Gita also Bhagavan says that it is the thought which counts. Okay. So that is what is the priority. I think it is in Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter. 7th chapter, very clearly he says this. And I will tell you that also. So, so that is what, even that, but that intense thought of Bhagavan, okay, thinking him him as an enemy, that is itself, it's like you are thinking of the Lord. That is what is important. You need to think about him very intensely. Okay. So that is what it is. Okay. So in Bhagavad Gita, he also says that even though they have all this, see, Kamsa and all, they were not very nice people. Okay, they were not very nice people, but, or maybe Ravana, they were not very nice, but the thought of Bhagavan continuously they were thinking. This was very intense. Okay, slowly, and finally what happens is they are thinking of the Lord, which finally makes them virtuous. Okay, and they attain the moksha. Okay, so that is what Bhagavan says. I will tell you that Bhagavad Gita shlokas later on. It's very clearly written. It's very beautiful. Sometimes we might also think I do so much good, even though Bhagavan doesn't even look at me. Some people say, oh, they do all bad things, but still Bhagavan looks at them. Maybe something like this is there in that. Anyways, I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead. Um, yeah, today I think Deepti ji is the first person to say.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Yes. Okay.
seventh one.
I didn't come.
Pardon me?
Hello. I am no intervention. Okay. Can I just listen your this thing?
Yes, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
No
Thank
problem.
you. And I don't know Sanskrit, Hindi.
No problem.
Only
None of them knows here. Don't worry. Except for me, I suppose I hardly people know.
Uma madam, she is my brother's wife.
Oh, okay. Welcome, Ji. Welcome, please.
Okay,
Just
thank you so
enjoy.
much.
Just
It's
enjoy.
very interesting to listen the thing.
Yes.
You are before telling, no, you are describing. No, that is what more important. I be in the listening mode. Okay.
No problem. Just
If
enjoy.
I'm confident, no, I'll come for reciting.
Absolutely. Take your time. Enjoy. Okay, ma. Deepti ji.
Yes. Yeah.
The seventh one we will do.
You are saying right.
त्वदीयभृत्यौ अथ काश्यपातौ
त्वदीयभृत्यौ अथ काश्यपातौ.
Here, I'll just tell one thing. In many of the books, it will be like Tvadiya Bhrityavatha Kashyapatau. Okay?
Yeah, this is Sandhi because of that. That's what.
No, you know it.
Says meaning.
Correct.
Yeah, understood.
You know it, but you need to like understand. Okay, so you can tell it in any way.
Yeah.
It is okay. Okay.
Yeah, I was not able to understand, and when you changed it, I really understood and happy. Yeah.
Okay, so for others also, you can tell it any way. It is okay. Okay, if you say Tvadiya Bhritya Vatha Kashyapato is okay. Or you say Tvadiya Bhrityau Atha Kashyapato, that is also okay. Okay?
Yeah. Tvadiya Bhrityau Atha Kashyapato. Tvadiya Bhrityau Atha Kashyapato.
Okay. Surari Veera Ruvadit. Sorry. Surari Veerau Ditau Ditau Dvau.
Surari Veerau Ditau Ditau Dau. Surari Veerau Uditau Ditau Dau.
Dvau.
Dvau. Surari Veerau Uditau Ditau Dvau.
Others, you can mark இந்த இடத்துல சுராரி வீரா உதித்தௌ தித்தௌ துவௌ அப்படின்னு சொன்னா சரி. இல்லைன்னா சுராரி வீரா ஓகே உதித்தௌன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தித்தௌ துவௌன்னு சொன்னாலும் பரவாயில்ல. ஓகே, இட் டசன்ட் மேக் அ மிஸ்டேக். சுராரி வீரௌ உதித்தௌ தித்தௌ துவௌ அப்படி பிரிச்சுக்கலாம். புரியுறதா? எப்படி வேணாலும் பிரிச்சுக்கலாம். இட் கேன் பி லைக் சுராரி வீரா உதித்தௌ தித்தௌ துவௌ. ஓகே, or you say surari veerau uditau ditau dvau. Okay, that is also fine. Okay, because if there is a difference in the books, don't worry about that. Okay, it is only because of this joining of these words that the difference is coming. So don't worry about that. Okay, let's do the first line. Tvadiya Bhrityavata Kashyapatau Surari Veera Uditau Ditau Dvau.
त्वदीयवृत्तौ अथ काश्यपातौ सुरारिवीरौ उदितौ द्वौ त्वदीयवृत्त्यौ अथ काश्यपातौ शूरारिवीरौ उदितौ द्वौ.
Very nice. संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ
संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ
यमौ च लोकस्य यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ
यमौश्च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ.
Very good. So this line we will do. संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ
संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ. संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ.
Very nice. Two lines together, ma?
Yeah. Shall I say or you will repeat first?
No, you say the whole thing.
त्वदीयभूत्यो अथ काश्यपातौ सुराविरौदितौ द्वौ संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ.
Very nice. Okay. Next, after Deepti ji. Kamala ji is not there. Sri Devi ji. Bhagya ji is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you tell me first one.
The seventh one you want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
Just tell.
प्रत्यावद कश्यपातौ सुरारिवीरौ वौ संध्या समुत्पादन कष्टचेष्टौ यमौ च लोकस्य यमाविवान्यौ.
Very nice. So here this is actually a very beautiful one. So what is he saying here? Now you see Tvadiya Britya Vatha Kashyapatau. Now your two attendants, okay, the Jaya and Vijaya are born. They are born, they have taken birth as big, very great asuras, okay, through Diti and her husband Kashyapa. Kashyapa Munivar, he has got two wives, isn't it? One is Diti, one is Aditi. It is said that Diti is the mother of all the Danavas, all the Asuras and all. Aditi is the mother of all the Devas. Okay. So here, these two Asuras are born through as sons of Diti and Kashyapa Muni. Okay. Now, what are they saying? Surari, now they have come. Okay, they have arisen. Okay, when did they come? During the Sandhya time. Okay, so they were born. These two were born during the Sandhya time. Sandhya is what? That dusk time, isn't it? The twilight time, when it is neither night nor day. During that time, these two were born. What type of asuras were they? Very, very cruel in nature. They were very cruel in nature. And then here they have used the word Yamo. Yamo here actually means twins. So these two were twins. Okay. So they were born. So here he is also telling Yamo means twins. At the same time, it also means the god of death. So you can understand what kind of asuras they were. So they were really very, very cruel asuras who were born. And that is why this Bhattatri is using this word yama over here to very beautifully, show that it is not that they are just twins, but they were almost kind of replica of yama. Okay, so it's a very beautiful thing here shown here. So that is what Yamaucha lokasya yamanina. That's it. That is why, we say that during the Sandhya time, during this twilight time, we do the, we have the விளக்கேத்திட்டு தென் அந்த டயத்துல வந்து ஸ்லோகம் சொல்றது, நல்ல விஷயங்கள்லாம் பண்றது, அதெல்லாம் பண்ணும். ஸோ சாத்விகம் ஆன விஷயங்கள்லாம் பண்றது வந்து நல்லது. இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் எந்த விதமான தமோகுணம் உள்ள விஷயங்கள் வந்து அந்த டயத்துல பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றோம். ஸோ படுத்துக்கிறது, தூங்குறது, அந்த மாதிரிலாம் கூட பண்ணக்கூடாது. எதுவுமே அந்த டயத்துல ரொம்ப எதுவுமே கெட்டதா இருக்கிறது, அந்த தமோகுணம் சார்ந்த எந்த விஷயத்தையும் பண்ணாம நல்ல அந்த டயத்துல வந்து நல்ல ஸ்லோகங்கள் சொல்லி இது பண்ணி சுவாமி நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணி இதெல்லாம் பண்றது, விளக்கேத்திட்டு, அதுக்குதான் அந்த டயத்துல விளக்கேத்திட்டு ஒரு நல்ல சாத்விகமா அந்த டயத்துல இருக்கிறத ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்றது வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லது. ஓகே, சோ இது அதையும் குறிக்கிறது. ஃபைன், வில் கோ டு தி 8th one. அடுத்தது பாக்யாஜிக்கு அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீதேவிஜி. हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः.
हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः. हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः.
वेरी नाइस. परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः.
परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः. परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः.
वेरी नाइस. हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः.
हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः.
परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः.
परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः.
वेरी नाइस.
हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः. परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः.
वेरी नाइस. नेक्स्ट. उभौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम्.
उपौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम्. उपौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम्.
रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्धौ.
रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ. रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ.
இன்னொரு தடவை. ஒரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க.
रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ.
उभौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्धौ.
उपौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ. उपौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ.
वेरी नाइस.
हिरण्यपूर्वः कशिपुः किलैकः. परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः. उभौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्तौ.
Very nice. Next, after Sridevi ji. Tell me, Ambali ji.
She is in mute. She may be saying something and
I don't know. No.
ஆர்டர்ல சொல்லுவேடா.
நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல நீ சொல்றதுன்னா சொல்லு, மேம் சொல்ல சொன்னாலே. हिरण्यपूर्वकसिपुक्किलैकः परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः हिरण्यपूर्वकसिपुक्किलैकः परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः उभौ बबन्नादमशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्दां निजवासनातौ.
Very nice.
मशेषलोकम् रुषान्यरुन्दां निजवासनान्तौ.
Very nice. Sanskrit தெரியல, நான் ரெடியா இல்லைன்னா சொன்னீங்க. ரொம்ப சீக்கிரமா ரெடி ஆயிட்டீங்க. Fine. Very happy. Nice, good. Okay. So இதுக்கு அர்த்தம் பார்த்துடலாம். So here Hiranya Purva Kashipu Kilaika. Okay, ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் தான் இதுல. ஒரு ரெண்டு, that is the twins were born, right? So the twinsல வந்து ஒருத்தனுக்கு பேர் வந்து Hiranyakashipu, இன்னொருத்தனுக்கு Hiranyaksha. So Hiranyakashipu was the elder out of the two. The next born was the Hiranyaksha. Okay. So ரெண்டு பேருமே ஹிரண்ய அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து கோல்டு. ஹிரண்ய அப்படின்னா கோல்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி அந்த டயத்துல பிறந்ததுனாலயா சம்திங் அந்த ஸ்டோரி ஐ ஃபர்காட். அது பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் we have this Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha அப்படிங்கிற பேர். ஓகே. அண்ட் ரெண்டு பேருமே எப்படி இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா they were inherently very they had evil tendencies. Okay, so they were completely blinded by their evil tendencies. Okay, and what did they do? And because of that, they were blinded by their desires, they were obsessed by their powers and all. So because of this kind of evil tendencies, what they started to do was they started to torment the whole world. Okay, so this world, so then later on he's saying you are the master of this world, and these people were tormenting this world whose master is you. Okay, so that is what is said here. Okay, then next mom yaru?
Ma'am, may I missed my chance?
No problem, we haven't. Yeah, you can do, no problem. You will tell now. Okay. 9th one. तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः.
Ma'am, it's Surendraha or Surendro?
Anything is okay. If you are telling it continuously, then Surendro. If you are giving a break, then it is Surendraha. Okay.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः. तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः.
रणाय धावन्नवाप्तवैरी.
रणाय धावन्नवाप्तवैरी.
Sorry. रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी.
रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी. रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी.
Correct. That's what it should be. तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः. रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः. रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी.
Very nice. Correct one. Dhavan anavapta, because it is Namudagama Sandhi over there. Okay. Right. Bhavat priyam shmam salile nimajya.
Bhavat priyam shmam salile nimajya, isn't it?
Nimajya.
भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मा सलिले निमज्य
Correct.
भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य
Very nice. चचार गर्वाद्विनदन् गदावान्
चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान् चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्
Very nice.
भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्
Very nice. 4 lines together. Tayor Hiranyaksh. You tell.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्.
Very nice.
Once more, ma'am.
Say no problem.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः रणाय धावन् अनवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां क्ष्मां सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्.
Very nice. Next. Prema ji. Purna Chandra ji. Purna Chandra ji.
Okay. A small doubt there. तयो हिरण्याक्षमहे महासुरेन्द्रः ரணயதாவல்லவாப்தவை அப்படி சொல்லலாமா?
It is anavapta.
தாவல் அனவாப்தன் பிரிச்சு.
அது அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு கவுனாகம சந்தின்னு ஒண்ணு இருக்கு. அதுல அனவாப்த தாவன் அதுக்கப்புறம் அனவாப்தன் இருக்கிறதுக்காக அங்க நடுவுல ஒரு இன்ன சேர்த்துடும். நம்ம கண்டினியூஸ்லி when we say ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்லும் போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்லி அந்த இடத்துல அப்படி வந்துரும். ஓகே, தாவன் அனவாப்த வைரி அதான் சொல்லும். சொல்லுங்க.
तयो हिरण्याक्षमहासुरेन्द्रः रणयदावल्लवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियात्मा सलिले निमज्य चचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्.
வெரி நைஸ். ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான், அவன் வேலையை ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான். யாரு? ஹிரண்யாக்ஷன். ஸோ இவங்க 2 பேருக்கு நடுவுல தட் இஸ் திஸ் ஹிரண்யாக்ஷன். He was a very great asura. Okay, so he's fighting everybody. Now he's not getting any opponent because he's already too strong, isn't it? He's a very strong, he's a very powerful rakshasa, he's a very powerful asura. He's not getting any opponent now. So what did he do? Bhavat priyam kshmam salile nimajya. So your very dear earth, okay, Bhumi Mata. So what did he do? Bhumi is very dear to you. So what he did, he caught hold of the earth, the Bhumi, and he immersed her in water. Okay, and he started roaming around and roaring in arrogance. Okay, Garvat Vinadan. So he was roaming around and he was roaring in arrogance. Gadavan, that is, he was carrying a mace and he was roaming around in arrogance. Okay, so here this asura Hiranyaksha, what is he doing? He is seeking for some kind of battle, some kind of fight with somebody, but he is so powerful that there is nobody who can actually face him. So what does he do? He is not finding any enemy now. So what did he do? He just went ahead. He caught hold of Bhumi, who was very dear to the Lord, and he just immersed her in waters. Okay, and then he roamed around roaring, with pride, with that arrogance, he started roaming around and he was roaring like anything, holding the mace in his hand. Okay, that is what is the situation. Here, all of you just imagine things, okay? Some big Rakshasa roaming around and all. Only then you can actually appreciate the beauty of this. Okay, next one, 10th one. Who is there? Premaji. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तम्
ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तम् ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तम्
निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्
निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्
गवेशयं स्वाम्.
मैडम इधर बभ्राम व बभ्राम
बभ्राम.
ओके. निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्.
Very nice. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्.
ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्.
Very nice. Tell one more time.
ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्.
भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम्.
भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम्. भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधेयम्.
निधे त्वम्.
निधे त्वम्.
निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश. निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Very nice. भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
भक्तैकदृश्यः कृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Very nice.
भक्तैकदृश्यः कृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Very nice.
Full. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्. भक्तैकदृश्यश्च कृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश. धन्यवाद.
Very nice. Next. Deepti ji.
Yes. From here, I will tell. Krupa Nidhe is in Sambodhana, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
No, just I.
Yes, correct.
I will.
Absolutely correct.
Thank you. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवेशयं स्वाम्. भक्तैकदृश्यः सकृपानिधे त्वम् निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Marudalayesha is in Marudalayesha is in that is the Sambodhana. Here Kripanidhe is Saptami.
Saptami. Oh. Okay.
Okay. So here the meaning very simple now. Here what has happened? He has already immersed the Bhumi into the waters. Now what is happening? Now coming to know from Varuna, who is the god of the waters, isn't it? Now he comes to know, and from him everybody comes to know that Bhumi Devi is inside the waters now. Okay, and he also says that there is nobody else who can match this Hiranyaksha. So only Bhagavan, Mahavishnu can only be the, Narayana can only be the one who can match him or who can actually, kill him. Okay. So, but here Hiranyaksha, what he was doing now, he is not finding opponents. He is already in arrogance. He is roaming here and there. Okay, he is searching, and then he has already put Bhumi Devi in this, and he is roaming around. For what is he roaming? He is roaming around in search of Narayana, because he wants, now that is the only opponent who is left out. So he wants to go and fight with Narayana. So he is searching everywhere. Okay, and then they are saying that you can be attained, or you can be attained only by the devotees. Okay, so you are somebody who can be attained only by the devotees. Oh Kripanidhe, oh abode of compassion, you are the abode of compassion. So, hey Guruvayurappa, Marudalayesha is, hey Guruvayurappa, you need to eradicate all my ailments. Okay, you are so compassionate, you are the abode of compassionate, so you need to eradicate all my ailments. So that is the plan. So now here he is searching for the Lord, and next comes our actual avatara, that is the Varaha avatara. From the next 12th one, you will have the Varaha avatara. Okay, so what we will do, we will just practice this 11th Dashaka once, and then we can wind up. Okay, so after Deepti ji, we can start in alphabetical order. Anita ji, shall we start? The 11th one, the 11th Dashaka, we will just revise the whole thing. So you can just start from the first one.
Okay. क्रमेण सर्गे परिवर्धमाने कदापि दिव्यासनकादयस्ते भवद्विलोकाय विकुण्ठलोकम् प्रपेदिरे मारुतमन्दिरेश.
Very nice. Amulaji, if you are okay with it, you can do, or else we'll go.
Adiyan.
Ah.
Kramen.
No, the next one, the second one.
Adiyan.
Manogyanai Shreyasa. That one.
मनोज्ञनैः श्रेयसकाननाद्यैः अनेकवापी मणिमन्दिरैश्च अनोपमं तं भवतो निकेतं मुनीश्वराः प्रापुरतीदकक्ष्यागा.
Very nice. Next, Bhagyaji.
Ma'am, sorry, I joined from the 6th one.
Okay, ma, no problem. No problem. Next.
I know from the 7th.
No problem. Next one, who is there, ma?
I am only, I think.
Yeah, Deepti ji.
भवद्दिदृक्ष्यूर्भवनं विविक्षुन् द्वास्तौ जयस्तान् विजयोऽप्यरुन्धाम् तेषां च चित्ते पदमापकोपः सर्वं भवत्प्रेरणैव भूमन्.
Very nice. Next, Sri Devi ji.
वैकुण्ठलोकाञ्चितप्रशेष्टौ कष्टौ युवां दैत्यगतिं भजेतम् इति प्रशब्दौ भवतासितौ तौ हरिस्मृतिर्नो स्मृति नेमतुस्तान्.
Very nice. Next, Purna Chandra ji.
तदेतदग्नाय भवान्नवाप्तः सहैव लक्ष्यान् बहिरम्बुजाक्षात् खगेश्वरां सात्वितच्छादु बाहुः आनन्दयन्स्थान् आनन्दयन्स्थानभिरामूर्त्या
Very nice.
प्रसाद्य गीर्भिः स्तुवतो मुनीन्द्रः अनन्यनाथावत पार्षदौ तौ संरम्भयोगेन भवैस्त्रिभिर्मा उपेतमित्यादिकृपं नियकादिः
Here, Premaji,
उपेत
Upeta.
ओके
Here, one more thing. Prasadya girbhistuvato munindran in. Okay. And then
I return also. Okay.
and then it is Ananyanatha Vata.
Okay. Prasadya girpihi stuvato munindran ananyanatha vatapashatau dautau samramba yogena bhavaistribirma upetamityata kripam yakadihi.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Next. From the beginning. Anitaji.
Can I do the next one?
Ha, Bhagyaji, tell.
Vatiya pritya vadakashya padau surari virau nidau sandhya samutpadana kashta sheshtau yamau cha lokasya yamavivanyau.
Very nice.
हिरण्यपूर्व कशिपु किलैकः परो हिरण्याक्ष इति प्रतीतः उभौ भवन्नाथमशेषलोकम् ऋषान्यरुन्धां निजवासनान्दौ.
Again, can I recite?
Yes, please.
तयोर्हिरण्याक्ष महासुरेन्द्रः रणाय धावन्ननवाप्तवैरी भवत्प्रियां स्वां सलिले निमज्य सचार गर्वात् विनदन् गदावान्.
Very nice.
धन्योऽस्मि.
Next one.
Okay. ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गविषयं स्वाम् भक्तैकदृश्य
Sorry. Where was it? Nishamya babhrama gaveshayam stvam.
ततो जलेशात् सदृशं भवन्तं निशम्य बभ्राम गवीशयं स्वाम् भक्तैकदृश्य सकृपानिधि त्वं निरुन्धिरोगान् मरुदालयेश.
Very nice. Hare Namaha. After every dashakam, you should say this. Hare Namaha. Okay, and then go to the next one. Okay. I will do the dhyana shlokas and then we'll wind up. Okay. Okay. नमामि नारायण पादपङ्कजं करोमि नारायण पूजनं सदा वदामि नारायण नाम निर्मलं स्मरामि नारायण तत्त्वमव्ययम् नारायण 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 नारायण. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव. श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ हरि ओम तत्सत्. We'll meet in the next class.
ధన్యవాదాలు.